My name is Joey, and welcome to Joe of All Trades, where we talk about a little bit of everything. So today I wanted to discuss some great Black Friday software deals on the iPad and the PC or Mac. So the software and apps I'm going to suggest today are not going to have any subscriptions. We do not do subscriptions in this house. We want to pay once and then get to use it forever. So I have some here. We have some apps by Serif with their Affinity Suite. So I like to use them for photo editing and logo design. So I use Affinity Photo to edit photos, thumbnails, and I feel like it is a great alternative to Photoshop. And then Affinity Designer, I use it for graphic designs, logos, vector-based art. Also, I was using it as an alternative to Procreate before I had an iPad. I think it is good for drawing as it is both vector and raster based. So it is a good app to use when you're on your PC and using a drawing pad. There's also Affinity Publisher, which I'm not as interested in. I think it would be good for if you were designing maybe some type of advertisement or marketing or doing a cookbook or magazine. So I think it is also a very good tool. So the prices on those, they are 30% off. On the iPad, it's bringing it from $19.99 to $13.99. And on Windows and Mac, it is coming from $50 to $34.99 on those three software pieces. So software that I'm looking forward to going on sale on Black Friday is LumaFusion. It is a video editing software. It is supposedly supposed to be one of the best video editing softwares that are coming out on the iPad. And so it is 33% off starting on Thanksgiving, November 26th, and that is staying till December 1st. It is coming from $30 to $19.99. I'm really looking forward to that discount so I could stop using iMovie. And here's a software that isn't on sale, but I think is a must buy, which is Procreate. I don't know if it's going to go on sale on Black Friday, but I don't think it is. But Procreate is only $10, and if you have an iPad, whether that's the base iPad, the iPad Air, or the iPad Pro, I think Procreate is one of the best apps for digital artists. So that's all I have when it comes to these must-buy apps and softwares for creators. I like these a lot because there is not a subscription-based fee. I hope you found that content to be helpful, and if you did, please leave a like below. I'm going to be coming out with some more content later on, including an Oculus Quest 2 review and review of other tech. I'll also be doing some fun videos like showing a tour of my new home fitness gym and also the reorganizing of my setup that I have behind here. If any of that interests you, please subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!